Hello, kindergarten. It is Mrs. Shivani from the Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. I hope that you are having a wonderful day and you are ready for another fabulous math lesson. I have been having fun teaching you guys math and I'm excited to keep going. So today is all about the number 7. We talked about 7 last lesson and today we're going to talk about 7 some more. It's a good number, right? So today we will work on counting groups of 7 and we'll work on writing the number 7 again too. Practice is always good when you're writing numbers. So the more you practice, the better of a writer you will become. So today, if you have something to count with and something to write with and write on, that would be great. We'll start off with a quick fluency game. We'll do a quick yummy application problem, and we will do our concept development where we'll be counting some magic beans again. And then we will end with our exit ticket and talking about what we learned. Those are always our steps of math, right? Okay, here we go. Okay, module number 1, lesson 20. 20 is 2 tens, 20. So like I said, our objective today will be to count sets of 7 and write the number 7. I am sure we are going to master this quickly. All right, we're going to start with the balloon game. Remember this one? We haven't done this one in a while. It's called Show Me Another Way. So I'm going to pop the balloons and you're going to see a number. And when I pop the number, I want you to show me that same number of fingers the math way. Mrs. Shirvani sometimes forgets to do this too. So instead of saying 3 like this, that means we're going to show the math way by starting with our pinky. It's on my nose. So we'll start on our pinky. 1, 2, 3. So this would be showing me 3 the math way, like this. Then I'm going to say, now show me your fingers a different way. So instead of like this, think how else you can show me 3. Think hidden partners. How else can you show me 3? 2 and 1. If I just put one finger down here and put it up over here, that is another way to show 3. 2 and 1. All right, let's do this one together. 6. So here's 6. Well, I guess this would be 6 the math way, right? If I always am starting with my pinky, on the other hand, I'm going to start with my pinky too. So 6. Now show me another way. What about 3 and 3? Yeah, or 5 and 1. We did that one, right? So show me a different way. 4 and 2. That'd be a good one. Or 2 and 4. Good. All right, let's do 2 more like this. We'll just finish the first row. 5. Now show me a different way. I'm going to put 2 fingers down here and put those 2 fingers up on the other hand. So 3 and 2. Good one. Or if I just want to put 1 finger down and then 1 finger up, 4 and 1 is another way to show 5, right? Okay, let's do one more. 7, 5, and 2 is 7. Or let's see, let's put 1 finger down here and put it up over here. So that would be 4 and 3 makes 7. That's a good one. We haven't done that one yet, huh? All right, let's move on to our application problem. I don't know why these application problems are always about food, huh? That's okay though, I like food. So Christopher has a bag of 5 cookies. Okay, so let's show these cookies. He has a bag of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there I have 2 on top, 3 in the bottom. That makes my 5. I'm gonna get my pen here. I'm gonna draw a bag. There we go. That kind of looks like a bag, huh? Kind of looks like a pumpkin. Okay, so he has 5 cookies. And he has 2 loose cookies. That means 2 are not in the bag. So I'm going to put 2 outside the bag right here. All right, How many cookies does Christopher have all together? So we have to count the ones that are in the bag and the ones that are not in the bag. We know that there were 5 in the bag, right? So let's count on 5, 6, 7. So he has 7 cookies all together. 5 and 2 is 7. All right, let's work on our concept development now. So we have our magic counting beans here. Let's take out 5 and put them in our circle or on the edge here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I took out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Now let's take out 2 more. 1, 2 more. Okay. How many beans are left in the bag? 3. 3 are in the bag. Okay, so how many beans do we have all together? 1, 2. Okay, wait. First, before I start counting, I gotta remember where I started, right? So let's see. Let's remember that I started counting right here, and I'll stop counting when I get back to this one. Okay, so count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. We did it. There are 7. Good work. All right, now let's put 2 of these beans that we have made here. Let's put them back. 1, 2. And now let's put 5 more back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many beans did we put away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We put 7 beans back. That makes sense. We took 7 out. We put 7 back. And there's still 3 left in here. We talked about that before too. Can you show me 7 with your fingers? 5 and 2 more. 7. Good. All right, let's practice writing the number 7 again. Let's practice writing it 2 times. Let's do it once in the air and then once on the paper. Across the sky, down from heaven, that's how we make the number 7. Across the sky, down from heaven, that's how we make the number 7. Across the sky, down from heaven, that's how we make the number 7. Across the sky, down from heaven, that's how we make the number 7. That was a big 7 that I made down there, huh? All right, let me show you your problem set now. This is a quick math lesson, huh? Real quick one, because you guys are 7 pros. You're so good at counting 7. Okay, so you're gonna count the number of suns and then choose how many. Count the number of circles and choose how many. That's it. That's your quickie, sticky math lesson today. Remember, when you are counting, it is so important to be sure that you are identifying a counting path first. So you want to make sure that you know where you're going to start counting and you know where you're going to stop counting. That way you don't make that silly mistake like I made of keeping counting around the circle and never stopping, right? And it's also very important that we are starting to make sense of numbers and hidden partners. So that's what we did today, right? We found partners to 6 and partners to 7, and we wrote the number 7. Good work today, guys. We'll keep on going next lesson. Adios.